Welcome back to the REVan Evan channel. We're at Carlisle 2025 at the Ford Nationals, and it's just a sea of Fords. A lot of celebration going on this year. There's some Capri stuff, Ford GT, obviously tons of Mustangs, but just about everything else too. Torinos, Fairlanes, new, old, everything you like. We're gonna walk the field, we're gonna walk the buildings, so come along for the ride. So we're just cruising around at Carlisle 2025, ran into Chris Ballou, saw the shirt, had to stop him and say hello. Chris, what brings you out here?
Well, I lived in Carlisle for about 21 years. I live on the West Coast now, but had to come back for another show. So here I am.
That's awesome, man. Yeah. Obviously, you were a fan of the magazine.
Absolutely. I was a longtime subscriber. Yep.
That's cool. How old is that shirt? Because that shirt, I think, predates even when I worked there.
Yeah, it's almost 30 years ago today that Larry Shinoda signed it. So
that's awesome. Yep. Well, I'm glad you're out here having fun.
Thanks.
Great to say hello.
Pleasure.
And you came all the way from the West Coast.
Yes, we did. Carson City, Nevada.
Hey, what's up, brother?
The world famous
REVan Evan is in the house.
Cars. Staten Island?
And we drove it here, no trailer queen. We go to all the cruise nights in Jersey.
That's awesome. What a beautiful car. This guy's owned his car 50 years, 69 Mustang. I mean the look, bro. Simple with the blue and the torque thrust reels. What do you got it for powertrain?
351 Windsor 4-barrel with a 5-speed transmission.
Beautiful, beautiful. What's your name?
Scott and Karen.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
So, but that's not eliminated whatsoever.
So the next question is, would you have We're out here at Carlisle, and I just met Jeff Lee, old school Mustang fan. He brought the old school license plate and a 1995 copy of Muscle Mustangs and Fast Fords. I guess you liked the magazine back in the day.
Oh my God, love the magazine. Have every issue from when it first came out.
So that's awesome. He tracked me down. It's raining, but that's okay. We're still having a fun time. We're walking around. It was great to meet you, man.
Thanks, Evan.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
You checking out the YouTube channel and all the years of following us at Muscle Mustangs and Fast Forwards magazine.
Great.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What's his name or her name?
Ranger.
All right, that's Ford Ranger getting the airtime. What are we working with, my man?
So it is a 2011 BMW 335D with a Dynacorn body on it.
Why did you build such a
And
crazy
to me, it's
car?
the best of both worlds because I have a Mustang, and it's terrible, and it doesn't stop, it doesn't steer, and it's just terrible. But it's beautiful to look at. So I'm into BMW diesels. So I checked the dimensions of a BMW diesel or BMW E90 chassis. I'm like, oh, it's spot on. So that was the start of what I did.
So the wheelbase is literally
Spot on. And door-to-door rocker is 3/8 plus. So I'm like, I can work with that. So that's what I went
swap.
with. So right now it has 600 foot-pounds of torque, 400 horsepower, 45 miles per gallon, and it's me. Paddle shifters.
That's wild. Where are you from? What's your name?
Huntington, Pennsylvania, Derek Grubb, near Raystown Lake.
Thanks for showing us your car.
Hey, thank you. Have a good one. It was just all like...
We having fun?
Oh, yeah!
It didn't feel better. It didn't feel worse. It felt the same.